Again, stores are boarding up and closing early tonight, including the Jenks Riverwalk. The Oklahoma Army National Guard has sent 40 soldiers to Tulsa to help keep the peace. Channel 8's Maureen Wurtz live tonight near 71st and Memorial with more on what they're here for. Maureen.
Mark, this is the parking lot where Tulsa police staged during those protests last night. And behind me along Memorial, historic moment when soldiers from the Army National Guard rolled in. From calls for peace.
And MLK fought for us to do this, and he had a dream, and we're living it out.
To pleas to go home.
I'm just a man. I'm another Tulsan, man. I'm another Tulsan, man. I'm a father. I'm a Navy guy. And I don't want to see, I want everybody to go home. Everybody got families.
Monday night on 71st and Memorial became the spot where Tulsans first saw the National Guard deployed.
Barricaded over there, they're in that corner, they were there.
Brianna Shea was there trying to calm things down.
Whoa, okay, all right. We got some pepper fired in our direction.
Last night it did get scary because they were instigating, they were throwing things at the officers in the National Guard, and one time someone threw a blue smoke bomb at the National Guard and they just kicked it back to the crowd.
We want to really be there as a show of support to the local police to de-escalate the situation.
Brigadier General Tommy Mancino says the soldiers deployed in Tulsa have been specifically trained for these types of situations.
You may see soldiers that are armed. You may see soldiers that are equipped with just the riot gear or a combination of all the above.
Mancino says their job is to make sure people can protest safely and provide backup to police if they need it. But he knows it can be unnerving seeing them show up in Humvees.
See that rolling through 71st and Memorial is not
It'd be
normal.
jarring, I think, to see a military presence when you're not used to seeing it. We're aware of that, and we try to, whenever possible, mitigate that footprint. Just because, like I said, we really are all about de-escalation.
Brianna says before things died down, the crowd was shot at with pepper balls.
A little sore, and it's not a nice feeling. This is what they shot at me.
Mancino says it's a fluid situation, and their motto is to be ready for anything. But he says he couldn't say exactly how long they will be here, but he said most likely through George Floyd's funeral, which is next week. Reporting live near 71st and Memorial, Maureen Wurtz, Tulsa's Channel 8.
This morning, dozens of volunteers worked to clean up debris left from last night's vandalism in South Tulsa. We can expect to see more peaceful protests and rallies in Tulsa. One